We are working on the phrasal verb call off in English. Now, when we say call off, what we mean is that we need to either cancel or postpone something. Let's look at a few examples in which we use call off in English. The school had to call off classes today because of the snowstorm. The exam was called off after the technical issues with the online platform were not resolved in time. Due to the unexpected conflict, we had to call off the client meeting scheduled for this afternoon. The project has been called off because of budget constraints. As you can see in these examples, we are using call off to refer to something being canceled or postponed. For more help with phrasal verbs, don't forget to take a look in the description below and check out my playlist for phrasal verbs in English.